Hello everyone. Okay, okay. So we have completed the uh, like uh, sign up process or registration process to test, right? So registering to test trial. Second one is a project to set up on the project overview. So my previous sessions. Okay. Now we are going to see how we are going to build the test cases here. How we are going to build the test cases and executions we will see here. Okay. Go to here. Okay. How we are going to write the test cases. Okay. See here, directly we can write the test cases or we are going to add the sections. Okay. So I will add the section. So name, login, login section, or login module, hmm, login module. So login related test cases. Okay. Okay. I'm going to create it. No, nothing is there to attach. Just add section. Hmm, Okay. So here we are going to write the test cases related to login. Okay. So under login module, add test case. See, we can create add test case from here. Okay. So add test case from here. See, it is see when I click on add test case, no, it is coming see directly. So login module. So section is coming as login module. So we have created only on login module. So test case template, test case text. Hmm. So we can set to type. What is the type? Hmm. It is a functional test case. So it's not regression. I'm writing functional test cases. Priority. So login is critical, right? So there you can maintain critical. Estimate references, automation type. So for now, we are going with the manual only. We can write later automation type. Okay. So estimate, we can estimate it here. So preconditions. Preconditions, if you want any, if you have any preconditions, you can maintain here. Okay. Steps. Okay. So precondition of the test case. Okay. And now go here. Google. So I'm going with orange demo orange HRM application. Orange HRM application. Okay. Okay. This is the URL, right? So pick the URL. So copy here. Go to here. So what first step, what you can write here. So actual result, the section is not coming. Okay. One is the steps. What is going to, what should be the expected result. Okay. When you are executing the test cases automatically based on the expected result, if it is not matching expected, then you can raise an issue. Okay. Here there is no actual result column. Okay. Suppose now what I'm doing, I will launch URL. URL. Okay. Launch URL. Okay. So this is my first step. Launch URL. Mm, mm, mm. Application should be launched. Okay, should be launched. Or URL should be launched. Okay, this is my first step. So when you hit the URL, when this you hit this URL, then application should get launched. Okay. Or so application should get launched. Launch URL, and you can say here and verify whether URL launched successful or not. URL launched successfully or not. Okay, application should be launched. Hmm? Hmm? So user able to user should be able to see the login screen. Login screen. Okay. See, when we hit the URL right here, when we hit the URL, yes, URL is launched. When we hit this URL, so URL is launched, right? Functional test case. Okay. And next step. Okay. Okay. Title is required. Verify login to the application with valid credentials. Valid credentials. Credentials. Okay. So this is my test scenario. Verify login to the application with valid credentials. Okay. Now add next step. Mm. Okay. Add next. Add next. Okay. Okay. We'll go to the view the test case. Okay. It should not see steps. Mm. Okay. Okay. It is appearing in one test case. So actually, each steps we can write it. Each steps we can write it. Mm, Normally, okay. Why I'm not able to write each step in one test case? Each step is okay. For now, this test case we will write it like this. Mm, Okay. So make it as step one. Okay. Step one. Expected result of one. Okay. Now step two. Mm, Second one. Enter evaluate username and user and the password in the username. I username and password in the username field and username field. Okay. User should be able to type invalid username in username field. Okay. Username. So third step, enter the valid password and then password field. Document. User should be able to type valid password. This one and the password field. Okay. So, okay. One. See what happens. Admin valid username. Admin valid. Admin 123. So valid username valid password. Click on login button. What happens when we click on login button? So it will navigate to the home screen. It will navigate to the home screen. That is the same thing we need to write here. Okay. So enter. Click on login button. Login button. So once we click on login button, what happens? Hmm, Fourth one, user should land. User should be able to land in the dashboard screen. Orange HRM dashboard. Dashboard screen. Okay. And so this is in the cost data service. Okay. So preconditions. No, here you can maintain the URL. If you want, you can maintain the URL preconditions. Test data. Normally we will maintain under the test data. Here, add the table to the text fields. We don't have a test data option. So validate username and password. Open username and password. For now, I'm adding here. Valid username and password. Okay. Normally we should add under the test data, but I'm adding here. Valid username and password. Okay. Mhm. What is valid username and password? You can copy paste this. Okay. Valid username and password. Okay. Okay. Just save this case. See what I'm trying to tell you guys now. So normally, here I'm trying to enter all the steps here only. I'm trying to enter the steps, launch URL, enter username and enter password. But like this, we can write each step for each line. So that is what I'm trying to achieve, but I'm not able to. We'll see. Okay. So this is how the login test case. This is how the login test case is created. Okay. Now go to overview. No, so milestone. No, test runs and results. Okay. See here. See under test cases. And see here. One more thing. No, once I created the login module, no, see you can see the test cases here. See what is the module. So login module. Open this login module. So we can see what we are writing here, no? The modules, whatever we are maintaining the modules. No? See, when you have people work with ALM, no, or QC or test collab, no, their left side, this left side, no, left navigation or left side navigation here, we can see the folder structure like this. Here we can see the folder structure. Now login module. If we add one more module, no, we can see under this one like sections, like this. Okay, this is under section. Okay. Now see the test case. We have created the test case. Okay. Here, verify login and the application with valid credentials. So add test case. Okay, add subsection. No, we don't want any add subsection. Add test case. So what I'm trying to achieve now, next test case verify. Login functionality. Verify a login to the application up with invalid credentials. Right? With invalid credentials. Okay. Open this case. No details as well. Just edit it. Okay. So login module test case. This is also functional test case I am writing. Just invalid credentials. It should give valid. So whenever we enter the wrong password, it should give valid error message, right? So that is same thing. Okay. See, save test case option is coming. Okay. Okay. First one. Enter URL. So enter URL. So just I'm making it short. URL launched. Okay. URL launched or application URL launched. Okay. Second step, what I'm writing. Enter valid username. Username username and password. Okay. Click on login button. Login button. Okay. So after click on login button with enter username, valid username and invalid password. Invalid password. Okay. What should it should give after you are launched? So when you enter the valid username and invalid password, what it should give? Hmm? Hmm? See here. No? See here, admin is the valid username. Admin 123. No, so admin. I am giving admin. Enter. See, it is giving invalid credentials. This is the error message. We are getting error message invalid credentials. Okay. Mm. So what should be the output now here? Mm. 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 Application should throw should give error message to user invalid credentials. Invalid credentials. That is my test case. See, actually here the test data step is the column is not there. So precondition here we can maintain what is the valid username, valid password we are maintaining. Valid username. What is the valid username I am giving? Admin. Invalid password. Invalid password is invalid password. What is invalid password is admin. So it is giving this error. Okay. So even you can have the image. So I'm taking this image. Hmm. Okay. So I'm copying this image. Okay. Copy in the paint. Paint. Yes. Okay. I'll try to copy in the digital. Create one folder. TestRail. TestRail. Login error. Screenshot. Login error screenshot. Okay. Now we go to our TestRail. So what is the error message now? Try to add the image here. Add the image. Desktop. TestRail. So, so add the image. Attach the image. So image is attached. Hmm, right? Save test case. Okay, successfully updated the test case. Okay. See under login module, now we have two test cases. Okay. And add section, I'm trying to create one more section, dashboard. Hmm, Dashboard screen. Dashboard. Dashboard screen. One more section I'm creating. Maintain dashboard. Test cases. Test cases. Okay. Add section. Okay. Dashboard screen. So when we have the test case only, it will come here. Okay. Now say login module, login related test cases, maintain dashboard test cases, add test cases. Hmm. So what we can go on to check one dashboard, one dashboard test case. I will write it here. Admin, admin 123. Here dashboard, hmm, dashboard test cases. What you can write? Okay. So what I will write now? Now we are in the dashboard test case. Just check. So dashboard whether logout is appearing or not. Okay, logout is obtained on the dashboard. Okay, so verify logout option appears in dashboard stream. Okay, right. So in this, write the test case. Okay, edit it. That's what I'm doing. Dashboard screen. See here. So login module is there. Dashboard screen is the section. Okay, template test case. Okay, this is high only. Logout option is necessary. Okay, now preconditions. Okay, here I'm writing the step launch application URL. Okay, now hmm, first step is application URL launched successfully. Okay. Okay, what we'll do this test case functionality from dashboard screen. Verify logout functionality from dashboard screen. Okay, this is the test case. Mm. So we are checking logout functionality from dashboard application. Second one, launch URL, launch application URL. Now log into the application with the valid credentials. Okay, okay. Application login is application user should be able to log into application successfully. Mm, mm. User navigator should be navigated to dashboard screen. Okay, this is the expected for this step. Third step. Third one. Check logout from dashboard screen. What happens? So here, when he log out from here, try to click. Just log out from here. It is navigated to home screen. Okay. Go to third step. User successfully should be navigated to home screen. Don't be navigated to home screen. Home screen. Screen. Landed in login screen. Okay, this is my test case. See, save test case. So go to the test cases again. See, login is coming, dashboard is coming. Now here it has two test cases. Now it has one test case. Okay, this is how you will create the test cases in the tester. So it is very simple tool, but it is very easy to. Even you can add test case from here, and test case. You can edit the test case. You have filter options. You can try it all. So you can delete the test case. So from here, delete the test case. Okay, here you can edit the test case. Okay. Thank you.